Welcome back to Innovent Cake and Cookies. Today's recipe is something quick, festive, and absolutely delicious. Easy 10-minute coconut laddu, soft coconut bites loaded with crunchy nuts and rich milky flavor, made with simple ingredients in just minutes. Let's start the recipe. Take 2 cups desiccated coconut and keep it aside. Now heat 1 teaspoon ghee in a pan. Add 2 tablespoons each of cashew nuts, pistachio, and almonds. Keep stirring and roast for about 1 minute until lightly crunchy. Pistachio add beautiful color naturally. Always roast coconut on low heat. Nuts provide crunch, protein, and nutrients. Remove and keep aside. Now add 1 teaspoon ghee into the same pan. Add the desiccated coconut. Roast on low heat while stirring continuously for about 3 to 5 minutes until a beautiful aroma comes out. Coconut contains natural healthy fats. Pour in 1.5 cup milk and mix everything nicely. Do not overcook after adding milk. Add 2/3 cup sugar and the roasted nuts. Keep mixing until everything blends together into a soft, rich mixture. You can adjust sugar according to your taste. Roasted coconut gives a deeper and nuttier flavor. Homemade laddus can be made in under 10 minutes. Once the mixture starts leaving the pan slightly, turn off the heat. Cool it down for about 5 minutes. Now grease your hands lightly and shape into delicious laddus. Lightly greased hands help create smooth laddus. Shape the laddus while the mixture is still warm. Homemade sweets are fresher and preservative-free. Coconut laddus are popular festive sweets in many cultures. These soft and nutty coconut laddus are perfect for celebration or sweet cravings anytime. And just like that, your homemade coconut sweets are ready. Try this recipe at home and let me know how it turned out in the comments. Share this recipe with your friends and family. Follow Innovent Cake and Cookies for more easy homemade sweets and dessert.